Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for the continuation of my Halloween series. This is my first SFX makeup. It's not too gory, but if you want to see how I have achieved this look, then just stick around. For the brows, I went in with the Elegant Brow Concealer and the Technique Brow Pencil in black. I'm just going to use the P. Louise red base. I think it's Bad Boy or Blue Boy red on the lids before I go in with my shadows. And if I don't get it right, y'all, it will be in my description below. Up next, I went in with my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and I'll be using the shade Jezebel. I don't really use my Juvia's Place palettes that often because I be in my feelings sometimes, but one thing we gotta give them is that their palettes are pigmented AF. So after I lay down my lid base, I am just blending out the edges in some small circular motions. Next, I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty, I think it's Ruby Obsession palette. I have just been finding loads of palettes lately, and I'm just going to be using what I have. Next, I'll be going in with my P. Louise base in the shade 0, and that is just to outline my wing. Then I am going in with the Jamrock Universal palette, and I'll be using the gold shimmer shade or foil shade, which is Trophy, that's at the top, and I'll be using that to create my wing. Then after I create my wing, I'll just be outlining that gold wing with the NYX Vinyle liner, which is black, just to make this look pop a little bit. Next, I'll be going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and this is just to create a base for the shade underneath my lower lash line. And just to let y'all know, I went in with Jezebel, which is the same shade out of the Nubian 2 palette for the bottom shade. Then I'm just going to do some hocus pocus, and bam, the lashes are on. Next, we have the Fright Club, which I purchased in Primark. This is a wound. Obviously, it's the wrong color, so I popped some foundation on it. Try to blend it in with the skin. Then I placed it on my face. I used some normal eyelash glue, but it wasn't really sticking the way I wanted it to, and it was stressing me out. Then I proceeded with the normal steps of makeup. I did hydrate my face, which I didn't show in the video, but I did use the Superdrug Hydrating Mist. And then I used the AOA primer, Wonder Primer, to prime my face. That's the mist that I used. I went in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I just press that into my skin as I normally do, and then I'll highlight, and then I'll contour, and then I'll set my face, and then I will put some highlighter on. Then I will do my lips, and then we'll move on to the blood. Bear with me, y'all. Right, y'all, so I didn't want my lips to be a different color, so I went in again with the milk jumbo pencil from NYX, and then I just used the same Jezebel that I used on my eyes on my lips. Now for the blood, as you can see, it's from Primark again, the PS Fright Club brand, I guess, from Primark, and I'm just using that. I'll be going by my eyes, on my lips, and then I came up with a solution to cover that latex scar that's not really sticked down how I wanted it to. So I decided to put some blood around the edges that's going to be showing, and you'll just see me doing that. At this point, I wasn't really sure how I felt about it, but once I popped my wig on, I really got into it. I thought, yes. That is it from me, guys. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.